Hi everyone. Welcome to our Beyond High School video series. These quick and easy to follow videos will give you a peek into some of the library's best online resources designed to keep you on track while working towards your goals, high school and beyond. I'm Asa Heyward, your Teen Services Senior Librarian, and I welcome you to episode 1, Staying Ahead of the Class While at Home. In this episode, we're going to take our first look at the Peterson's Testing and Education Reference Center. So first, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for free access, and then we're going to take a look at some of the resources that are available through Peterson's that will help with their math skills as well as your English and writing skills. Now, before we begin accessing all of this free and awesome content, you need to have your library card ready. Now, if you don't have your library card, or if you lost your library card, don't worry. Just call us at 757-514-7323. To get started, head over to our website at www.suffolkpubliclibrary.com/teens. And on our team page, I want you to click on the Beyond High School tab, which is located at the top left-hand corner of your screen. And at the Beyond High School tab, I want you to scroll down to the Testing and Education Reference Center link. And for those of you who are accessing this from home, before landing at the Testing and Education Reference Center homepage, it's going to take you to another page where it's going to ask you for your library card number. So just have your library card ready, and the library card number can be found on the back of your card, starting with the numbers 8, 2, 3, and 0. And at the home page, it's going to ask what type of student are you. So for the purpose of today's video, we're going to click on high school, and then we're going to click on start. And once you're there, it's going to ask you what it is that you want to do. So we're going to click on get general basic skills or STEM help, and then we're going to press next. And here we have a menu of the different tutorials that are offered. For the purpose of today's video, we're going to do a quick walkthrough of the English and writing tutorials and also some of the math tutorials. And under the basic skills for the English and writing tutorials, there are a few online lessons. There's reading comprehension lessons, there's sentence skills lessons, as well as writing lessons. And each heading has a variety of online tutorials that are offered for each. So for the purpose of today's video, we're just going to take a look at the analyzing arguments. And once you've clicked on the link to the lesson that you are interested in learning about, it's going to take you to a login or registration page before you can begin accessing. So if you've visited the site and you already have an online login for the Testing Education Reference Center, you will click on the login tab and you will enter your username and your password. Or if this is your first time visiting the site or accessing the resource, you will click on the registration tab and you'll fill out your name as well as set up a username and a password. So now that I'm ready, now that I've logged in, I'm ready to begin my lesson. And at the beginning of each lesson, there's going to be an introductory page that's going to give you some of the of the learning goals and objectives for that lesson, and some of the what you will be able to do by the end of the lesson. And as you can see within each lesson, there are color coded graphics and there are bullet points to help you guide you through the lesson itself. And then also there'll be a practice question that will pop up throughout the lesson, and usually there's a multiple choice, and whatever question that you answer, whether it's right or wrong, it'll also give you some feedback. And then here, this is another example of another lesson that will be offered in this particular module. Now let's take a look at the basic math tutorials. Much like the English and writing tutorial homepage, set up with different lessons. So there's about 4 different headings for lessons that are being offered, and also a variety of different topics that fall under each lesson that you can take online lessons for. So we're just going to look at hard algebra for this. And since we've already logged in, it's going to take us directly to our lesson. And just like with the English and writing tutorial session, there's your introductory page. And this jumps right into practice questions. And once you have selected an answer, in this box here, it will give you some of the feedback and how you can answer the question, or why the question that why the answer that you selected was actually the correct answer. Now that we have explored the math and English tutorials, I encourage you to explore the other tutorials and lessons that are available in this section of the Testing and Education Reference Center. For more information about this and other free online library resources, please visit us at www.suffolkpubliclibrary.com/teens, or call us at 757-514-7323. Thanks for watching.